This video walks you through how to add a new staff member to your pharmacy account in C2 Vault. To get started, navigate to the Users section using the left side navigation menu under the System heading. The Users page displays all current staff members in your pharmacy. To add a new user, click the Add User button in the upper right corner of the screen. This opens the Add New User form. You will need to complete the following fields. Enter the staff member's first name and last name. Then enter their initials. Initials are 2 to 5 uppercase letters and serve as the staff member's login identifier within C2 Vault. Next, select the appropriate role from the drop-down menu. The available roles are admin, supervising pharmacist, pharmacy intern, technician, and auditor. Assign the role that matches the staff member's position and level of responsibility in your pharmacy. Once you select a role, a permissions panel will appear on the right side of the form. You have two options here. The first option is Use Role Defaults. This applies the standard permission set for the selected role automatically. For example, selecting pharmacist will grant full access to inventory, dispenses, receipts, stock adjustments, reports, and the audit log, while restricting access to user management and pharmacy settings. The second option is Customize. Selecting this will take you directly to the role permission settings for the selected role, where you can adjust what that role is allowed to do before completing the setup. Keep in mind that any changes made here apply to all users assigned to that role, not just the individual user you are creating. Next, create a password for the user and confirm it in the field below. If you would like the staff member to set their own password when they first log in, check the box labeled Require Password Change on First Login. When all fields are complete, click Create User. The new staff member will now appear in the users list with their assigned initials, name, and role. Role permissions can also be managed at any time from the Settings menu. To access this, click Settings in the left side navigation menu, then select the Permissions tab. From the Role Permissions page, use the Select Role drop-down to choose the role you want to configure. Any changes made here will apply to all users assigned to that role across your pharmacy. On the left side of the screen, you will see a list of permission categories. Select a category to view and adjust the individual permissions within it. For most actions, you can set the access level to Allow, Deny, or Approval Required. Approval required means the staff member can perform the action, but it must be authorized by another user with the appropriate authorization level. If you have made changes and want to revert back to the original defaults for a category, click Reset to Defaults in the upper right corner of that section. When you're satisfied with your changes, click Save. If you want to discard your changes, click Discard.